Shanangan. Ano ang agenda for today? Briefing?
May ako kami, guys. We don't talk about it.
Ay,
Which is, if he has one, and he still has the audacity to keep that playlist up is wild.
yun nga eh. Bruh.
And he's been acknowledging like the reposts that I make of things on it.
Paano niya ina? Saan ba yung speaker? Ayun yung speaker. Bruh. The song right now. The song right now.
Not very 진짜 대박. No. 진짜 no.
Chincharo Michin?
Yeah, it's very
Chinda.
chin.
Chincho Michin. Laelo te Michinda.
Sino nag-request nito? Mga gago kayo.
Michingas. Sino nag-relapse na yun?
Tanong pa ba yun?
Ha?
Tanong pa ba yun?
Other than you? Look at my hand. It's just hovering. Like, I was ready. Para kainin to.
Pa ba wave turns lang I like.
May ako rin.
Sana may storage pa ako. Wait, hi chat. Hi chat! Hi chat!
Oh my God.
Okay lang yun naman. You know what? Actually, my pops out. Hello. So, we bought. Please, anyone? You know what? I don't care anymore. I don't want to jinx it. But obviously, I want Pachaco.
Sabay natin buksan.
Yeah. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go.
You're fucking... Oh. Oh, it's the same one I have. It's the Crocs. Where the creepy? Kasi bigay ko na kay Han. Oh yeah, she's Han. Kasi I'm from
My money. But like, guys. Oh, it's two different Kuromis.
Okay.
Yes. Let's get it.
Let's get it.
The thing is, I don't have props, so you're fucking kidding me. Like,
It's crazy.
you would think that I'm a Kuromi girly, but I'm not. Okay, I'm not. You would ask why I have Kuromi in my bag. Cause like, I bought this on Shopee and she was on sale for like 300. So kinagat ko na. And the only available one was Kuromi and cinnamon roll.
Diba yung...
I don't know what to feel.
Ah, bro, just look at the charms na to. It's a heart. Like 2 hearts. That's crazy, bro.
Kamot ulo. Hey, ay wala ka ba? Hey ya, hey ya, hey ya.
Another one.
I got the same one. Hoping to get
Ito yung acrylic.
Pochaco or
Yung ba ba?
I don't know, Pochaco. There's 2 options in
2
Pochaco.
Pochaco.
Or Basmaru. Basmaru is cute.
I don't know.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, I got the one you got.
Kuromi rin. Oh, that's
Oh,
yeah,
that's-
that's yeah,
yeah.
yung akin.
It's cute though. Yeah, okay.
I
fine with it. Yeah.
Karami.
Got pom-pom. And jowa niya ba to? I think this is pom-pom's jowa. I'm not sure.
Ata.
Should I just give this to my friend?
Ano kadami to? Oh. Okay. Akala ko I got the secret then.
Ano yung secret? Oh, it's cute. Nakagano'n siya. I have this one. And this one. And this one. Yeah, I got up a lot. So I don't know if I'm gonna give this to my friend. Let's see.
The next
Yeah,
one,
I'm
next
keeping
one.
it. Isa ba? Tangina mo!
Ha? Akala ko ba may
Ano
isa
next
dalawa?
one? Isa lang.
Okay.
Nilibre nga kita. Nangina
Ako
ko.
nga, akala ko kasi you got two.
No, I was picking between the two. Okay na ako guys. I got the secret. The secret.